Kinsang bag nabilin? Wala nabilin? Wala maliit ang nabilin? Center, shopping mall, looking for perfumes. Yeah, walay na budol.
Walay na budol,
So far.
Hapit lang.
Lahi ang nabudol. Lahi ang gibudol.
I was today years old when I found out Nutella had a plant-based version. Okay. Vegan also.
And tadadam!
Right now we are waiting for our client.
So first you get your black, I'm not sure. It's black sauce. We just call it black sauce or soy sauce or whichever. You put a couple, just a couple. It's very, very parats. And then you get some pepper. And I like a lot of pepper. And then you mix like this. And then you get a toast. This is very sweet also. And then this is parat. And then you dip together. And then the best. Very good. I need the tissue. Let me know. Hi.
Kailan sa problema na nila.
Apil ka dito.
Okay.
Oh!
Sorry ba? Hi na po, hi.
Hi!
Hi again.
Hi, ang routes. Ah, tara.
Now we're here.
Very good. Picture ko naman. I love it. Sweet. Tingin ka katang. Right? Ang ruby. Kita rin. Ako kling. Oh, katubo na. Yeah. My almost joy. I love this.
Pink extra. Pwede ba?
Oh, di ba? Doon ko yung open bucket sa pikas.
What? What? So you're leaving us? Sige sila pasakay sa mga wave di ay.
Ayaw ko lang ending na dito. It's on the other side. I will laugh my way.
I will laugh.
Sure.
Nara?
Dito, 2, 2, 3.
Okay. Who are you which flying? Which are you flying?
Which flying?
Scan your itinerary. Okay. Scan itinerary. Barcode over there.
Mali. Remove.
20 kilos. Next. Place your heaviest bag sideways on the belt. Kato dito. Oh. Ja. Okay.
Ito ko guys ako ang tuan.
Sa?
Ako ang payong kay ni Archie 1 kilogram.
Ang 1 kilo. Ano sa to? Kinsang bag nabilin? Wala nabilin? Wala malitang nabilin? Sus, kung nabilin na ba, magdagandagan ko balik din yung matod ninyo dito sa kuan. Wala. Why check in? Bye! See you in kuan. Mura pila ka years ba? See you on Sunday.
Sure, girl.
Wala ko lang ito.